Well, welcome to the garden in Gardeners Cottage here in Blakeney. We're here on the 17th of July doing a turnover, watering the garden, prepping it for the next set of guests. Grass has been cut, garden's looking really beautiful in this fantastic July sunshine that we've got here at the moment. Highlights right now are the hollyhocks, which we've planted all along the back of the house. This Crocosmia is really a blast of colour coming up in the middle of the border just outside the kitchen. This is Fireglow. Figs on the tree are really starting to swell up now. A couple of weeks and they'll be ripening up for the guests to enjoy. And one of the other stars just starting to come into bloom now. This is one of the earliest ones, the Agapanthus. This is actually planted directly into the ground in the gravel on the courtyard area behind the house. Beautiful deep blue. And on the opposite side, these ones a little later, just coming into bud now, starting to show a little bit of colour. This is a white, really tall, big blossomed Agapanthus, this one. Not certain on any of the varieties on these, but they'll flower for the rest of July, taking us into August. And a final blast of colour on the back end of this patio border. These phloxes now in full flower. Struggle in the drought here in Blakeney, but we water those every week just to keep them nice and fresh, and they reward us with this every single year. Japanese anemones in the distance there, going down the front of the house, and the Lavataria, and of course the Buddleias doing their thing. That one's almost over, quite an early one that, but the butterfly bush attracting insects and wildlife into the garden here at Blakeney.